All right, here we are at the Pete Dye signature hole. Steve Amble, 124 yards, gap wedge, downwind. We hit it good. Is it enough? No. Just short. He's heartbroken.
Oh well.
One in the water.
Guess it wasn't enough club. Hit the gap wedge and just didn't carry it. Should have hit it left of the pin. I went after the pin like a fool. What are you hitting, Kenny? Alright, that's what I should have hit apparently. Yeah, you went right at the fat of the green. That's Kenny Collins, ladies and gentlemen. Kenny Collins, ladies and gentlemen. Collins.